Fearless Girl is a bronze sculpture by Kristen Visbal, commissioned by State Street Global Advisors, a large asset management company. The statue was installed on March 7, 2017, in anticipation of International Women's Day the following day. It depicts a girl 4 foot high, promoting female empowerment. It is located across from the New York Stock Exchange building in the financial district of Manhattan in New York City. Fearless Girl was commissioned to advertise for an index fund that comprises gender-diverse companies that have a relatively high percentage of women among their senior leadership. A plaque originally placed below the statue stated, "Know the power of women in leadership. She makes a difference," with she being both a descriptive pronoun and the fund's NASDAQ ticker symbol. The statue was first installed at Bowling Green, at the intersection of Broadway and Morris Street, facing down the Charging Bull statue, but following complaints from that statue's sculptor, Arturo Di Modica, was removed in November 2018 and relocated to its current location the following month. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.